Alright, some people are asking for help with the solubility lab, so let me try to help you out a little bit. Okay. So first of all, the pre-lab questions in the dilutions video. You can get most of those answers from the dilutions video. In fact, this whole lab I talk about at the end of the dilutions video, and I tell you how to read stuff. Alright, so that's the first thing. So this crystallization temp here. So this is the temp in the lab video. Right, so watch the lab video, it'll show you the 4 temps, and you'll simply enter those there. So this graph right here, you want to make a scatter plot. You should know how to make a scatter plot from your last. And you should get, so on the y-axis, right, we get grams per 100 milliliters, and here you get temp, because that's what I tell you to do, right there, right? Okay, so you should be able to do that, and you'll get some sort of curve, right, that looks like that. Over here, convert mass to standard solubility. So for instance, we have our 2 grams per 5 milliliters. If I multiply that by 20 over 20, I'll get 40 grams per 100 milliliters. And this is what you're going to plot on your graph, right? So that's the first one. And you'll do the same thing for the 4 gram, the 6 gram, and the 8 gram as well. All right. So once you have your graph, right? So we have our graph that we did up here. You'll find where 25 centimeters or 25 degrees Celsius would cross your path of your scatter plot, and then you estimate a temperature for that, right? Or you estimate a solubility. So from your graph, estimating your solubility, you'll come down to this graph here, you'll find 25, right? You'll estimate the solubility there at 25, right? And then you'll do a percent error, right? So accepted, that's from the bottom graph, minus experimental. That's from your graph, divided by accepted. Again, that's the bottom graph. Remember, that's an absolute value, right? So that would be your percent error. Okay? And then simply for all these questions, you'll refer to this graph. You'll find on a line, right, whatever they're talking about. For instance, KCl. So you'll find KCl here. And KCl is this line right here. So you'll just simply come to the temperature, go up to KCl, and you'll answer the question. Back over to grams. Okay, so anyway, that should be fairly simple and quick, and I shall talk to you soon. Bye.